Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our trades for Monday, August 11th. Hope everybody had a great weekend in this middle of August. Before you know it, some will be over and markets will be back to full action. We did have one trade which was carried over from a signal that came out late Friday. Could have grabbed it Sunday evening as well. The one trade and the one that you see here was a short in pound the Canadian dollar. Signal was right around 1.84. I believe the signal was actually 1.8414 area. We got short 1.84187, just a hair better. Came in hard, came in nice last night and then this morning. It's still coming in all morning here. This is a 30-minute chart. We picked up 58.7 pips. Adjusted for size, 19.3 pips is what we picked up. When you have more of a swing type trade that this was rather than a pure scalp trade, you're going to trade them much smaller size when you initiate the position. So we picked up, in our result was 19.3 pips, but the trade was good for 58.7 pips for anyone that's trading it, depending on their size. If they took a full size position, God bless. It did come. Our target by the algorithm was around 44, 45, 1.8344, 1.838345 area. It has since exceeded that, as you can see here, 1.83327 currently. We covered 1.83600. We covered ahead of the forecasted price, which correlated pretty much with these bottoms here. As it was approaching the half figure, 1.8350, I don't know. We were thinking it's come in so much so hard. We're close enough. Let's get out and cover. Unfortunately for us, it went not only go through the half figure, went to our target, and then went through the target, as you see here. So yeah, we left some on the table. Maybe being a little impatient. Not sure, but when you're staring at 58.7 pips in the face, it's hard not to take it. So we took it and we move on. Like I said, and really no economic news out there this morning, so it's pretty quiet when it comes to currencies. News starts to come. Some news flow starts to come tomorrow evening, Tuesday evening, and then Wednesday morning, Wednesday evening, Thursday morning, Thursday evening. So the news flow will definitely pick up. So hopefully we'll get some more trades. Although you never know, we could get some signals here. We could get some scalp trades, later this evening. So we'll see. It's just like I said, without the news flow, without high volatility economic numbers coming out, it's tough for these things to start to really move. This is just pure breakdown, technical analysis, and we basically nailed it. Again, we gave this trade probably an hour. Half an hour or so before the price got triggered, and obviously several hours before a major breakdown. It tested the figure of 1.84000 level several times, and we were trying to be patient with it to break through. Just because it's not a pure scalp trade, it's more of a swing trade, so you consequently risk more. You take a smaller position, you risk more, and you look to make more. You can always add into, to make it a full position just ahead of covering, to see, maybe you grab 1 or 2 more pips on a full, 3, 4 more, 5 more pips, whatever, on a full position that you could add right before you're going to cover. That's totally up to you on how you want to play it. But we were, the algorithm was dead on with it. It was great to see. So hopefully you took advantage of it. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action. Have a great evening.